There are two main reasons a user would want to copy or clone an existing bid. The first reason to clone or save a bid is that you want to use it as a starting place for a future bid that is similar. The second reason is that you are working on an estimate that you plan on making some major changes to, or some major what-ifs, and you would like to keep the original estimate for reference in the future, also known as creating an audit trail for an estimate. In either case, the procedure to begin with is the same. You click the File menu and go down to Save Bid As. If it is going to be a template, then you would give it a unique bid code, and you would select the category that the template is going to be in. In this one we have a template category, but you can have several template categories and they would be listed in your system accordingly. So for a template, you would change the bid code, and if necessary, change the bid category and modify the description to make it bathroom template or something more descriptive in terms of what you're saving it for and you're going to be using it for. In the case of cloning or saving a bid as a template, we're going to give it a low number, and that'll be evident as we go along. So we're going to make it 22. We're also going to change the description and put in bathroom temp, or anything you really wanted to put in there. We're going to leave the bid category as template. However, you could change it when you're ready to use it yourself. And you'll notice that now the bid is 22 up here, bathroom room temp. And so it's automatically switched you from the original bid to the template you just saved the bid as. Next, we're going to create a new bid based on this template. So we'll go to the File menu, New Bid, and for our purposes, we're just going to give it a 106 number and a test bid. But this time we're going to use the template. And so we'll find that template that we just saved. There it is, 22. When we click on it, it will put 22 in the base on bid code 22. So when we open this new bid, oh, by the way, let's go ahead and put it into a different category. And let's just say that it is bathroom remodel. And we click OK. And now we have bid 106 test bid with all the items that were in that created template. Now, if we wanted to, we could have zeroed out all of the quantities so that it would be obvious that you need to put quantities in when you use this new bid template. While we're here, if you wanted to zero out the quantities, we're going to click on the tag menu and tag all. We're going to move our cursor over to the quantity column and then go to the tag menu and change column value. And we're going to put a 0 in here, or you could put a space bar in there, or a space that is, and save it, or click OK here. Now we've got zeros in all of these. We're going to click the untag to take the tags off. Now, we might have wanted to do this when we saved it the first time. What we're going to do is save it as that template so it doesn't have quantities for the next time we use it. So we'll go to the Save As, and this time we have to change the bid category so we can see all the bids, and we're going to save it as the 22, and we are going to call it a template so that it shows up whenever we look at templates. If I can find it here, and then click OK and say yes to that. So now that bid 22 bathroom temp doesn't have any quantities in the column. Now, there's just a slight change in the process if we are going to create an audit trail because we plan on making some changes here. We want to keep the original bid. So we still go to the File menu and save bid as. But this time, instead of giving it 106 bid, we're just going to put a dash in there and call it A for the time being. You can do almost anything you want in there. You can put a date in there. We'll also modify the description and say second. Here again, you can do anything you want to indicate that this is the second revision, for instance. We're also going to change the bid category because we're saving this bid out. And since it is a type of a bathroom addition, we're going to pull that up and save it as that. Once we do, you'll see that we have bid 105-A, bathroom remodel 2.